welcome to ETHGlobal Lisbon.
Right now we are standing at Carlos Lopes Pavilion in Lisbon, Portugal.
This year, the venue is fantastic, it's spectacular. You really have the Lisbon feeling, can really see how much art, how much care, and how much beauty is put on every single aspect of this place.
When you go up like the stairs and to the other parts of the venue, like I love the tiles.
The spirits are so high right now. Let's roll it.
So day one, you come in, you check in, you get your badge, formulate your team, go through all the workshops.
Everybody was freewheeling, their mind was spinning, and they were all talking and they were just exchanging ideas, and it was so sparkling in the air.
Day 2 is like really energetic, too much energy, too much of excitement and pressure amongst the hackers, especially doing their project up.
Now it feels like they all have their idea set and they are working hard on their keyboards to make it happen.
We're thankful for ETHGlobal to introducing Continuity Track, which enabled us to go from New York launching a first product to iterating and making a better version of it.
What are you building? Oh, I'm still thinking about it. It's day 2.
I feel like I should have already have a product.
We are doing Google Analytics for Expert 2 payment.
And we are on the Continuity Track
platform for renters and landlords.
With AI and tokenized assets.
Relationships.
It's day 2 and I'm terribly exhausted. We are feeling tired, but also really motivated. My blood now is coffee. We'll be continuing our project, continue working and working. I hope I can sleep tonight.
Even though how tired you are, you always feel so energetic with the space, with the people around. And volunteers are making the space much more less chaotic.
Sometimes if you have a great break, it helps you with your ideas and later you get back even more productive.
Let's get back to the Web3 final judging.
Half of the projects are infrastructure, half DeFi, and a little bit of the GameFi things, a little bit the real-world use cases.
Interesting enough, the Continuity Track, half of the projects already started the previous hackathon. They are keep building the same idea.
It just shows how important creating these spaces is to enable that building, to enable people to come together and continue to innovate and push things forward.
I wouldn't be surprised to see 2-3 years from now, hey, this started at ETH Lisbon.
I wonder to know who's going to be the winner.
So this was our second time back in Lisbon, and one of the things that I noticed is that developers are excited to build and solve real problems. With the Continuity Track, they're coming in and building things that they can have others use immediately. And we're seeing a much faster cycle on ideas becoming products, becoming companies, and really benefiting this entire ecosystem. So this is the golden age of building and solving problems and getting this out in front of people. So we're only at the halfway point for this year. This is just the first 3 events. We got a lot more coming for the rest of the year. So we have a lot more events that are happening online that attract thousands of developers. We have 2 more in-person events. Next up will be Tokyo at the end of September. Then we're going to end the year off with DevCon, which is the biggest event in the Ethereum ecosystem happening in Mumbai. And I can't wait to see what people build next.